The Cambrian Explosion by Alina Batul
and Bianca Ortega.
The Cambrian explosion refers to the sudden appearance in the fossil record of complex animals with mineralized skeletal remains. It may represent the most important evolutionary event in the history of life on Earth. The beginning of the explosion is generally placed about 542 million years ago, during the Cambrian period at the start of the Paleozoic era. The explosion was particularly remarkable because all the major animal body plants appeared during this time, changing the biosphere forever.
What triggered the Cambrian explosion? Scientists have pointed to many factors. For example, the development of predation probably spurred the evolution of shells and armor, while the growing complexity of ecological relationships created distinct roles for many sizes and types of organisms. Secondly, rising atmospheric and oceanic oxygen levels promoted the development of larger animals, which need more oxygen than small ones in order to move blood throughout their bodies. And lastly, some scientists believe that a mass extinction at the end of the Proterozoic era created a favorable environment for new life forms to evolve and spread.
Here are some significant evolutionary events during the Cambrian explosion. Firstly, the evolution of multicellularity, in which animals became larger. Secondly, the evolution of true tissues. For example, the most primitive animals with true tissues are diploblastic. They have two embryonic layers, ectoderm and endoderm. Thirdly, the evolution of triploblastic animals, which is a third germ layer called the mesoderm. The mesoderm is used to make muscles, gonads, circulatory systems, and some excretory structures. Lastly, the evolution of Hox genes. These are the homeotic genes. These genes are found in many animals and build similar structures. The Hox genes are sometimes referred to as a genetic toolkit.
Here's evidence of the Cambrian explosion. This fine trilobite specimen comes from what has been termed the Guangshan fauna, found in the Wulinqing Formation. The Guangshan fauna shares many genera with the slightly older Chengjiang biota, but differs at the species level. With the discovery of the Chengjiang biota in 1984, a window on the Cambrian explosion in China was opened.
Another piece of evidence is the Otoya prolifica. Otoya is a stem-grip priapulid worm known from Cambrian fossils. Although priapulid-like worms from various Cambrian deposits are often referred to Otoya on spurious grounds. The only clear Otoya macrofossils come from the Burgess Shale of British Columbia, which was deposited 508 million years ago.
And that's the end of our presentation on the Cambrian explosion.